Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Marin Cabanis, 32 years old,
Okay, where do you live?
Balintawak, Quezon City,
What is your height and your weight?
5'2",
5'2" inches tall, and what is your weight?
40,
40 kilograms. Okay, so are you married or single?
married ma'am,
Happily married with how many kids?
2 kids,
2, and what are the ages of your kids?
13 and 8 years old,
Okay, so what is your educational attainment?
high school ma'am,
High school graduate.
yes ma'am,
Okay, so how many brothers and sisters do you have?
2 brothers and 2 sisters.
2 sisters. Okay, so are you ex-abroad?
No ma'am,
How about here in the Philippines? Do you have an experience as a domestic helper?
yes ma'am,
For how many years?
2 years,
2 straight years. Only
Yes,
one
ma'am.
employer.
Yes ma'am,
Okay, how many family members did you serve?
3,
3 family members. How many adults and how many children?
2 adults and 1 children,
1 child. And is he a boy or girl?
boy,
Boy. So, how old is he?
4 years, 4 years
4
old,
years old only. Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities inside their house?
cooking food, washing clothes,
What else?
and clean the house.
Okay, you do all the household chores and you also take care of the child?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you also cook them food. What are the food that you cook?
Sinigang, fried chicken,
What else?
noodles,
So, how about fried dishes? Like fried fish, fried egg, fried chicken. Can you also cook that?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how about Chinese dishes? Do you have any experience?
No, ma'am.
No experience,
Yes,
but
I will. I
you're
will learn-
willing to learn.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what are the things that you do when you're taking care of the children, the child?
I will cook the food and serve him, and then take a bath.
Okay, so do you also read him storybooks before going to sleep?
A little bit.
Okay, sometimes only.
Yes.
Okay, so how about newly born babies? You have experience taking care of them based on your children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you feed milk for the newly born? Okay. What is the first step?
Um,
Okay. Clean the bottle and
and I will put
sterilize.
yes, and put the milk and water.
Okay, what are you going to put first? Is it the water or the milk?
Water, ma'am.
Water first. Okay, after putting water and milk,
And shake.
okay, shake. After shaking,
I
you will check the
temperature.
okay, if the temperature is enough for the baby, you can now feed him or
Yes,
her
ma'am.
her milk. And after feeding milk of the baby, what is the next thing you need to do?
I will
Okay, what will you do?
um,
You will swipe.
yes, ma'am, and burp.
Okay. You will swipe the back to make the baby burp. Okay, so how about elderly? Do you have any experience taking care of them?
No, ma'am.
No experience. But if your employer have elderly inside their house, are you willing to take care of them also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are the appliances that you know how to operate?
Washing machine,
What else?
oven toaster, electric fan,
Okay, about aircon, television.
TV.
Okay, so you can operate all electric appliances inside the house.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so most people in Hong Kong are speaking Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, ma'am.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Family needs.
For your family and for the future of your kids.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and speaking of your kids, who will take care of them when you go abroad? Who will take care of them?
My mother.
My mother and how about your husband?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any message to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am. If you choose me as your domestic helper, I will promise you,
Okay. What can you promise?
I will promise you to work very hard and
Can you promise
my-
to be honest?
yes, ma'am, and my responsibility.
Okay. You will follow all other rules.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What else?
And I will,
You will? Are you going to finish the contract?
yes, ma'am, 2 years contract.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.